Laser Systems delivers efficient high-tech solutions for many customer applications that are based on own unique technologies. Laser Systems research and developments made innovations in additive technologies with serial production of next-generation industrial 3D printers in the Russian Federation. Laser Systems performs serial production of additive selective laser melting machines designed to produce parts of complex shapes from metal powders that cannot be manufactured using traditional technologies. Laser Systems developed M250 3D printer that is Russia's first certified additive technology equipment. Laser Systems has formulated a meaningful collaboration with BSS Advance Technologies that's doing business as Bharat supply and support of advanced technologies in India. For more information on these next-generation, cutting-edge additives technologies, email or visit BSS Advance Technologies website or visit www.lsystems.ru.